Hey, thrill seekers, welcome to KM Top Crazy, the ultimate adrenaline playground. Get ready for pulse-pounding chases, insane action, and the most mind-blowing moments ever caught on camera. If you live for the rush, you've just found your new home. Let's dive into the madness. A breathless night in Leon County, Florida, as police chase a fleeing blue Kia at an astonishing speed. A situation no motorist would ever want to witness in real life. The Kia speeds eastbound on US 90, with Captain Martina in close pursuit.
Right, I'm going to stop. Yeah.
Hey, just an FYI, we got Highway 20 blocks, just west of Indian Church as it comes this way. There was another pit attempt. In front of Dale Earnhardt Chevrolet, 2 pit attempts, unsuccessful. Vehicle is eastbound Tennessee Street.
Officer Ruiz quickly turns onto Blountstown Highway, attempting to cut off the vehicle, but the reckless driver continues weaving through traffic and veers onto Pensacola Street, making the situation even more dangerous. The moment the car comes to a stop, Officer Ruiz immediately exits his patrol vehicle, draws his weapon, and approaches the Kia. Inside the car are 3 men. With a firm and commanding voice, Ruiz orders everyone to put their hands up and stay still. The 3 suspects are quickly removed from the vehicle and handcuffed. The driver, later identified as Malik Aziz Miller, early in the morning on April 23, 2024, a white Ford F-150 sped past Trooper Logan's patrol car. This wasn't just a simple case of speeding, it was the beginning of a high-stakes chase between law enforcement and a reckless criminal with a long history of crime. Trooper Logan immediately accelerated, trying to catch up with the F-150, but the driver had no intention of stopping. The moment he noticed the patrol car behind him, he slammed on the gas, speeding away with no regard for road safety. Every sign pointed to one thing. This wasn't just an irresponsible driver. He was running from something. Cornered with nowhere left to run, the driver crawled out from the passenger seat and lay face down on the ground, but he still refused to comply. As officers approached, he made suspicious movements around his waistband, a dangerous sign that forced law enforcement to remain on high alert. His identity was quickly confirmed: Michael William Turner, a name well known to the justice system. A background check revealed multiple outstanding warrants in Pinellas County, including charges for cocaine trafficking, illegal firearm possession, witness intimidation, heroin and fentanyl distribution, and marijuana smuggling. He wasn't just a reckless driver, he was a career criminal deeply entrenched in the underworld. Trooper Ashley Regal was conducting a speed enforcement operation when a white Lincoln Town car flew past at 103 miles per hour, far exceeding the 70 miles per hour speed limit. The driver, later identified as Sheldon Lee Blackburn, ignored the signal to pull over and sped away, triggering a high-speed chase on the highway. While fleeing, Blackburn repeatedly threw objects out of the vehicle, including items suspected to be drug paraphernalia. Blackburn was subdued at the scene. A search revealed a digital scale on his person and another one inside the vehicle, both containing traces of a substance suspected to be cocaine. A field test later confirmed the presence of the illegal drug. A background check uncovered a lengthy criminal history. His driver's license had been suspended since 2020. He had a prior DUI offense, and most notably, he was a registered sex offender. But Blackburn's criminal record didn't end there. In May 2023, he was arrested for possessing psilocybin, hallucinogenic mushrooms, and drug paraphernalia. Before that, in 2019, he faced charges for aggravated assault and motor vehicle theft. With a long list of offenses, from fleeing police and drug possession to driving with a suspended license, Blackburn has set himself on a path with no way out. On the night of January 21, 2025, a high-speed chase unfolded on Interstate 55, sparked by reports of a stolen Nissan Maxima. After passing two vehicles and slowing down in preparation for a traffic stop, Sergeant Wright noticed that the Nissan Maxima was no longer traveling alongside an orange Dodge.
TBI.
Come here, you get the door, you're my breach. Keep your hands
On the ground.
Turn around.
On the ground. All the way.
A VIN check later confirmed that the Nissan Maxima had been reported stolen from Bartlett, Tennessee. The car's side curtain airbags had deployed, and the driver's seatbelt was not in use at the time of the crash. The initial damage estimate for Sergeant Wright's patrol vehicle was approximately $9,000. Trooper Ethan Sanders was on duty on U.S. Highway 69 when he spotted a dark-colored Ram pickup truck speeding at 75 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. When he activated his lights and siren to signal the driver to pull over, the suspect, later identified as Aaron Laxton, not only refused to comply but also accelerated in an attempt to flee.
Roll over. Put your hands up! Is anybody else in the vehicle with you?
A search of the stolen vehicle led to the discovery of a firearm hidden between the driver's seat and the center console. A few days later, during a follow-up inspection, officers uncovered a locked box containing methamphetamine and drug paraphernalia. However, no drug-related charges were pursued. Deputy Horn, along with Officer Michaelides from the Bellevue Police Department, conducted a traffic stop. However, the driver, Harley Moore, had no intention of cooperating. At first glance, it seemed like an ordinary vehicle, but when the officers checked the system, they discovered it was a stolen car.
You get caught up in traffic.
A spike strip was successfully deployed, deflating Moore's tires and gradually slowing him down.
Lost his front tire.
Lost the front tire.
Single force another vehicle.
Then aboard another vehicle. Look at medics rolling.
Brother, if you don't mind, this is our safety.
It works.
Officer Thomas LaForce signaled a vehicle to pull over, quickly realizing that the driver was none other than Thomas LaForce, 34, a wanted fugitive. However, the moment the officer attempted to remove him from the car, chaos erupted. Two officers sustained minor injuries but were treated and released from the hospital. LaForce is now facing multiple serious charges, including assaulting a police officer and fleeing law enforcement. This criminal had no intention of stopping. He floored the gas pedal, sending the 350Z hurtling down Highway 12 at a staggering 130 miles per hour. One small mistake could have led to disaster.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Put your hands up!
K9 Ego and its handler were deployed, tracking the suspect through a dense forest. It didn't take long before they caught up to him, bringing the high-speed chase to an end.
What's this right here? Show me your hands now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Challenging one.
Help me! I have no record. I've never done anything wrong in my life.
The suspect ahead was found to be carrying drugs and narcotics. As soon as they were alerted, Brazilian police swiftly initiated a pursuit. The suspect immediately took a rough road in an attempt to slow down the officers, but that turned out to be a critical mistake.
Fica o pé, fica o pé, fica o pé. Apoio CDHU da Geraldo Rodrigues.
As Officer Evans spoke with Williams about the reason for the traffic stop, he detected a strong odor of raw marijuana coming from inside the vehicle. Officer Evans instructed Williams to turn off the engine and step in front of the patrol car. However, Williams suddenly restarted the car and sped off at high speed on Interstate 40. Officer Wright executed a precise TBI maneuver at mile marker 284, forcing the Dodge Charger to a stop. Williams attempted to reverse into Officer Wright's vehicle to escape, but Officer Evans quickly blocked him from behind, completely shutting down any chance of fleeing. The Milwaukee County Police spotted a stolen vehicle driven by Matthew Harden, a fugitive on the run. Chaos erupted as Harden sped down North Avenue, forcing other vehicles to swerve out of the way to avoid a collision. This wasn't Harden's first run-in with the law. He had previously been convicted of theft and was placed under GPS monitoring by the court in November 2015 after receiving a suspended sentence. His record also showed a prior charge of second-degree recklessly endangering safety, though unfortunately, that charge was later dropped. Additionally, Harden had a criminal history of drug possession. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.